Hey everyone, welcome back. Quick question, when you think about Jamaica, what comes to mind? Probably reggae, beaches. Right. But let me tell you this, Jamaica has some crazy fun facts you've probably never heard before. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll see Jamaica in a whole new light. And if you're into learning surprising cultural facts, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you catch the next one. Fact 1, Churches. First up, Jamaica has more churches per square mile than anywhere else. Over 1,600 of them. From little chapels in the countryside to big cathedrals in the city, faith is woven deep into Jamaican life. And the cool part? This spiritual foundation runs right alongside music, sports, and culture. You'll hear gospel on a Sunday, dancehall on a Friday, and reggae any day of the week. It's all part of the mix. Did you know Jamaica had this many churches? Drop a comment if this surprised you. Fact 2, Winter Olympics bobsled. Now let's switch gears, literally. Jamaica was the first tropical country to compete in the Winter Olympics. Yup, the 1988 Jamaican Bobsled Team in Calgary. The same one that inspired Disney's Cool Runnings. What makes it wild is that they trained on makeshift sleds with wheels back home, no snow, no icy tracks. They didn't medal, but just showing up put Jamaica on the map in a totally unexpected way. It was about proving that limits are only in your mind. Real quick, if you're enjoying this, help me out by hitting the like button. It lets YouTube know this content is worth sharing. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss more fun cultural breakdowns like this. Fact 3, Blue Mountain Coffee. Next up, coffee lovers, this one's for you. Jamaica grows one of the rarest and most expensive coffees in the world, Blue Mountain coffee. It's grown high up in the mountains where the air is cool and the soil is rich. That mix gives the beans a smooth, mild flavor that coffee enthusiasts will pay top dollar for, up to $100 a pound. Japan imports most of it every year because they're obsessed. If you ever visit Jamaica, do yourself a favor, skip Starbucks and grab a fresh cup from the Blue Mountains. You'll taste the difference instantly. Fact 4, Birthplace of Hip-Hop. Here's a fact that shocks a lot of people, Jamaica helped create hip-hop. Back in the 1970s, a Jamaican named DJ Kool Herc moved to the Bronx in New York. He brought with him the Jamaican sound system culture, massive speakers, DJs talking over the beat, remixing tracks for the crowd. That style became the foundation of hip-hop. The block parties Kool Herc threw are considered the birth of the entire culture. So the next time you hear a rap song, remember, the roots trace right back to Jamaica. Fact 5, Sprinting culture. And finally, Jamaica is home to the fastest people on the planet. Of course, we all know Usain Bolt, but the island keeps producing sprinting legends, Shelly Ann Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Asafa Powell, the list goes on. It's not just talent. It's culture. From a young age, kids grow up competing at champs, the boys and girls championships. It's one of the most competitive high school events in the world. That mix of raw talent, great coaching, and national pride is why a small island with under 3 million people can dominate track and field on the global stage. So there you go, 5 fun facts about Jamaica that prove this island's impact goes way beyond what most people imagine. We've got churches on every corner, we shocked the world with bobsledding, we grow the most elite coffee, we sparked hip-hop, and we sprint faster than anyone else alive. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite fact, and share this video with someone who loves learning about culture. And don't forget to subscribe, more amazing stories are coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.